make sure to stay until the end. We will explain how you can find out easily if that's causing your problem. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes C-Class. It could be multiple generation Mercedes C-Class, guys. And we're going to talk if you have engine noise whine, guys, coming from the engine. Okay, it could be related to idle pulley. Stay with us. We'll explain what the noise sounds like, how to find out if that's causing the problem, guys, and how to fix it. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure you stay until the end. First, we're going to go ahead, guys, start the car now with the belt and everything on. We're going to show you what it sounds like, and then we'll continue with the next step. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We constantly, guys, get new cars, we take them apart, engines, transmission, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Mercedes or car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate what that noise whine sounds like, okay, from the pulley. So let's go ahead, start it now. Okay, you're going to hear it. It will sound like really annoying. You will sound it coming from the top end here, guys. It almost sounds like something's bad inside the engine. Okay, so let's give it gas more. So you can definitely, guys, hear it, and the warmer it gets, the louder it gets as well. So let's explain what causes that now. So you can hear, guys, what the engine sounded like, right? Whiny, noisy, really bad. Now, first, what we're going to do, we will remove the serpentine belt. That serpentine belt, guys, moves multiple components on your Mercedes, guys, depending on the generation C-Class, but up to 2014, practically you will have your power steering pump, you have your AC compressor, water pump will be right here as well, that's the water pump, and alternator will be down there, guys. Okay, you can check out, this is the alternator. So now all of these components can cause, guys, noise. Practically, if you have power steering pump that's noisy, we have a special video about how to find out if power steering pump is making noise. It's going to teach you all about that. We recommend to disconnect the car battery because the radiator fan is here and can turn on any time and cut your hands off. And on these new cars, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect. Check it out. We have a special video, otherwise you can burn modules, computers. We've done that, and we had to spend $2,000 on a new airbag computer, guys. So check out which battery terminal to disconnect first. Spin the AC compressor, make sure that it's not locked up, make sure that the pulley feels nice and smooth, the bearings are good and they don't have play. Same thing will relate to water pump as well, check it there, and alternator, guys. Now, we have, guys, right here, that's the tensioner pulley right there. Okay, this is our tensioner pulley. Idler pulley, one of them is here and the other one is on top. That's what they look like, two idler pulleys, guys, and one tensioner pulley. They have a bearing right here. Okay, I want to show you, by the way. Okay, let me see if I can get it out. Okay, so I can show you, okay, what it looks like now. The bearing, okay, guys, is right here, and practically we have wear and tear because it spins quite often here, guys, quite a bit. So the funny thing about those, sometimes you can remove them and inspect them and they look perfectly fine. They might have just a little bit of play, but when you spin them, they sound nice and quiet. But when you put load on them, okay, that's when they become noisy or when they get a little bit warmer. So it's always recommended to replace idler pulleys, tensioner and belt at the same time. And that belt was about to fail, guys, 65,000 miles, about to fail. We have a special video that explains how often to replace serpentine belt. Check out the video, it's going to teach you all about that. You can find more information on our channels, guys. Now, with the belt removed, okay, you need to start the car only for about 10 seconds because the water pump will not be running, so don't overheat your car. Open the garage door. Let's start it for about 10 seconds and listen for noises now. So even though the engine is revving up because practically the choke is on, you can see the noise is gone. That whiny noise is practically gone. So definitely guys, that was what was causing our problem. If you want to see how to replace sidewall pulley on Mercedes C-Class, we'll have the complete video on our YouTube channel how to repair, guys. Check it out, step-by-step instructions. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.